What is up, boys? So, I made an emergency update on Solana, which I think has to be done because it is very, very, very strong. On the weekly, it is very strong. On the daily, it is very strong. And I think all of you should buy Solana at this point. It is a very active chain. Oh, it just broke through the trend line as well that I had drawn. I guess there was a deviation around here as well, a slight deviation of Solana around here as well, but yeah, we can't really count that towards that. But I guess it is breaking from this point as well. First of all, let us examine the daily chart. So for the daily chart examining, we see what basically happened. It went to a high of 210, which is relatively high for Solana because it did dip to $8, I guess, which is a lot of good return if any of you held it. So it wobbled down, formed a range here, a miniature range, I guess, and then it went down from here again. It tagged the support line, it went down again, tagged the support line. So we know this purple support line is being respected right now. So it went up again, tagged this resistance line, and then tagged this resistance line again, and then formed this trend line, and then went down again, and then tagged this. Yeah, so both of my levels are being respected as always. These levels do get respected a lot, so we like seeing that as well. As you can see, it is breaking from this trend line. If you are willing to take positions on this, I would say you could one more green candle around here, and if it breaks the trend line, you can open along here with a stop loss below this and a target of this, so that a bit higher, I guess you can go till here. So that is a 3.3 hour trade. If but wait for confirmation, as this is a red candle. I want the next, like tomorrow's daily closing should be profitable, should be green closing. If that closing is white or green, you can enter into this trade. Otherwise, this is invalid. You cannot. But if you want to buy it for spot, I guess there is. If you want to short as well, the scenario for short would be something like it breaking from this. If it does break, you put a stop loss above this and target the lows all the way here, which would be a 6 hour trade almost. So yeah, that is a higher trade, but let's hope it doesn't fall that low for all the people that are holding spot. And if you're holding spot and you haven't bought any Solana yet, and you know when to buy and when to sell, so I can help you with that as well. So basically, you can buy some around at 146 level. You can definitely buy Solana here. You can buy some around 138 level, 138, 139. You can buy some 10% at that. You can buy some at around 128 level as well. And obviously, you can buy some around 123, 122 level, and then you buy some around 117, 116 level. Keep accumulating Solana, even if it dips below this, like to around the 98s, and it dips to the 85s. Do DCA Solana. I think that it presents a very good opportunity, only because there has been a lot of active building on Solana. There's been a lot of change. There has been a lot of projects. I see this doing very well in the future as well. And once you DCA Solana all the way, the sky is essentially the limit. I will be holding till the weekly because I think this has the potential to go to 250 again. I definitely think it will go to 250 again, so that is going to be my selling point. But it could be higher, could be lower. Anything can essentially happen with Solana at this point. If you put a horizontal line and you mark it around here, yeah, this will be the Solana high essentially. This is the Solana high, so that is what I'll be targeting. That is what you should target as well. If you're holding this, I suppose selling around 200 level is not bad either. If you want to take a safer approach and don't want to be stupid like me, I would take the safer approach and sell it in the 200s. As you can see, stock RSI, it's just moving above. It has a lot of room to grow essentially. It has not oversold yet. The RSI looks good as well. Solana is in a very comfortable position to pump like an absolute beast. So I think you should all load Solana in your wallets as well. Let's say we took Solana entry in our videos at 154.5 as well. I'm gonna mark our entry as well just so I can show you in the future. You know, nah, we need a better color. So yeah, that is my entry for Solana. I will DCA it if it goes down. Do DCA. I've told you all the DCA points. 10 to 20% of your portfolio that you've reserved for Solana can go into each of those positions. I think that is a very safe spot for Solana. So please do buy it. And if you want to join my Discord, it will be the first link in the down description down below. Come on there, have a chat with us. If you have any specialized coin that you want analysis for, you can tell me. I can present you the chart, or I can make a video on it as well. We do that for our members. And if you're looking for a safer exchange to trade on without KYC and restrictions, I have put in the link of BingeX, the original link down below. Beware of scams and other comments. Just open the description. You'll find the first link would be for the Discord and the second for the BingeX and the shenanigans that we use for YouTube. So, yep, I'll see you next time. If you have any requests, do let me know your thoughts in the comments as well. And do like and send this to someone who needs Solana analysis. See you later. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.